To all of our strip wax users out there, allow me to introduce you to our roller cartridge system, which can save you time in your treatments. All of our Outback strip waxes are available in the 100-gram cartridges, which are quickly and conveniently heated in a very convenient handheld cartridge system. One of the wonderful things about this system is the cartridge heaters conveniently lock together off of one power lead so that you can run as many of these as you need to if you've got back-to-back leg waxes each of your working days. What I love about this system is the cartridge holders are very quick to apply onto the area. They're very clean. They apply very thinly, which means ultimately you're going to use less strips in the removal process. Let me demonstrate. Now is that one strip is all I need to use to remove from the whole front side of the leg. If you'd like any further information on any of our cartridge waxes or our heaters, please visit our Outback Organics website.